Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza, and in this mini vlog I will show you how I spent my day. So I started my day by making the famous ABC juice, apple, beetroot and carrot juice. Make sure to wash thoroughly all the ingredients with the brush. Make sure you scrap out all the dead skin of the fruits and all the dirt, and cut the fruits into smaller pieces so it can fit your juicer. In all my videos I have been using Ninja cold press juicer because it keeps most of the nutrients, and I'm loving using this juicer. Is it so easy to use, it's so easy to clean afterwards and makes less noise. And yep. ABC juice is a popular health drink made with apple, beetroot, and carrots. It is known for being nutrient rich, refreshing, and naturally sweet. Carrot is rich in beta carotene, vitamin A, which is good for skin and eyes. Apples boost immunity. They are high in fiber and they are good antioxidants. Beetroot improves blood flow, supports heart health, and enhances stamina. People who have fatty liver or high blood pressure, beetroot juice is the best. Also guys, be mindful that in all my videos I do not add any sugar to the juice. They are naturally sweet, and that's why they are good for your health, because you're not adding any additives. It's simple fruits that you are using that are good for your health, good for your skin, and good for your overall well-being as well. Look at this beautiful color that just came out, mixing the orange and the red. The juice was delicious and very healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. After juicing, I went to clean my bedroom. Here is the final look. And then I headed out for a car wash. It was very much needed. After getting a car makeover, I went to explore a beautiful cafe in my town. It's called Cafe d'Alliance. If you ever get a chance to visit this cafe, please do visit because the views are simply amazing, especially on a sunny day. As you can look outside, that it was full and there was no place to sit outside. You can see the lake view, the mountains, and it was just very beautiful. It was a different vibe when you get in. The music, the people were so friendly, and the good thing about that was there was a boutique also inside of it. And while you place an order, you can go explore the boutique. You can see that they are all handmade art. It's clothes designed by local artists, some internationally. They're all hand woven, and it's always good to appreciate these artists because they put so much hard work into it. So, and I also got my coffee, and I had the best almond croissant you can imagine. It was delicious. I had good time here, and I also took my mom with me so she can, take time off from the household chores. Guys, I just want to add something that every day go out of the house and explore something new because it is really good for your mental health. And since we are humans, and it's very important for us to connect with nature. Nature is really, really, really important if you're living with old parents, or just take them along with you. After spending some good time at the cafe, we went for meat shopping for lunch. We grabbed some tandoori chicken, marinated, and then we got back home and prepared the lunch. This is kidney bean lentil stew. In my language, in Urdu, we call it moti ki dal. Also checking out on tandoori chicken. Looks like the tandoori chicken is ready, and I was starving. I just had to make some rotis or chapatis, and the food is ready. So I'm just stirring well the lentils before putting it in my plate. So as you can see, I took one piece of tandoori chicken and some dal or lentils, and enjoyed my food with a roti, chapati, or you call it pita. After having lunch, we went out again for shopping. When we got home, it was almost sunset, and it was beautiful skies with blue and pink shade. And I had to make a video of that and show you guys how beautiful it looks. And in Canada, the fall has almost started. As you can see, the trees' colors are now changing day by day. Fall is one of my favorite seasons because that's the season when the trees turn into flowers and you see all the beautiful colors all around the town. It's very mesmerizing. And I ended my day watching Netflix. I hope you guys are liking my mini vlogs. Please do like, share, and comment. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Keep doing that, keep giving your love, and I'll make sure that I make more of different content. Or if you want to stick me to same content, do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.